Tundra climate. Yeah. Tundra climate. It's a position and distribution. Position and distribution. Position and distribution. Position distribution, where does it found? What's the? It's the latitudes. It also from that is about 60 to 70 degree in the northern hemispheres. Around the, it is also found in the position that the 60 degree north to 70 degree north latitudes. Yeah. Where it found in the where it does it found? This is a chief area of this climate is found in the northernmost part of the Canada. Tundra climate भनेको Canada को north मा पाउने जुन कि अलास्का हामीले के लेख्ने Alaska, which is the northernmost part of the Canada. Alaska. Here is that northwest Scandinavia, Iceland, Greenland, Siberia. Iceland. Iceland. Here is the Greenland. Siberia. Siberia, etc. That is the northwest Scandinavia. Here the Alaska. Alaska is not the most part of the country. Alaska, where the temperature very in the minus watts there is. This is climate is here also. It has the very severely cold without water throughout the years. And you take nase ke huncha ni temperature is ke huncha throughout the years there is a severe cold is there. No season change there is there. Throughout this way it's a minus 35 degree Celsius. Yeah, minus 35 degrees Celsius there is a summer is short, not more than 3 months long. Siberian type of stay. Winter lasts for the 9 or 10 months. Summer ends. Summer 2 to 3 months. 2 to 3 months. Whereas the winters 9 or 10 months. Like our that the summer is how many? 7-8 months. Winter 2 to 3 months. Just opposites. Similarly, there is an opposite. There is and the sun rays is very slanting rainfalls. Caucus there is in summer is not more than 25 cm. Means rainfall is there. Rainfall. Summer rainfall. This is a 20, no more than 25 cm. Means that the less than 25 cm is there. Heavy snow fall is there occur in winters. Now the vegetation of the Tundra climate, due to beating cold and snowfalls, trees and plants do not grow there. However, in the southern parts, beeches, shrubs and willows are seen in the side there. In the northern parts, only moss and lichens are found. southern there is some small plants are found. There is a whereas in the northern part there is a mosses. Mosses, you know? Mosses, you know? Lichen and mosses. Yes. In science you learn there is that grows at the stream grow with the snow melts in the summer. There summer otherwise there is a notes. Among the wild animals found in the climates regions is the reindeers, caribou, polar bears, musk ox, and the Arctic fox. There is these animals have the thick furs, which keeps them warm. Whale, seal, and the other fishes are also found in the Antarctic coast. Penguins are found in the Antarctic. In the southern, there is a penguin found. Lifestyle of people is also here in the hunting. Hunting is there. Hunting and gathering. Few people live in this area of harassed climates. Harassed climates, you know, not favorable. Very difficult to survive. Because life is very difficult. Eskimos live in Alaska. That's there is native people of Alaska. Native people, Eskimos, native peoples that live in Alaska. And Alaska and Greenland. Inuits are the native people of northernmost Canada. Inuits पनि त्यहाँको के छ भने ग्रीनल्यान्ड अलास्कामा चाहिँ सिकिमोस. Inuits चाहिँ अलास्कामा मेनली हो. Sikimos, Greenland. They are the northernmost part of the people who live. They are the Inuits and Sikimos. And they are nomads. They are also not permanent settlements. Nomads are there. They do not settle anywhere permanently. Fishing, hunting, and snaring. Snaring means fur of the animals. त्यसको मासु कलेक्ट गर्ने, छाला कलेक्ट गर्ने, तिनीहरूको पेशा. And they are important occupation and they live in igloos. मैले अस्ति कुरा गरेको थिएँ igloos. Yeah. Here is igloos. I-G-L-O-O-S. Igloos. Yeah. Tent. Yes, tent. It is the house, hut, a small house, which is made of the ice, piece of ice. House. A house made of ice. Understand? So that is our igloos. Igloos, reindeer and polar dogs, called that the huskies, are the means of transport. There is a means of transport. They used to that right now is ice motorbike is also, but it does not work there is because extreme cold is there and there is a starting problem. But dog, no problem. So that is our dogs and polar dogs is there. Yeah, they are sensitive to and least accident chance is there, and therefore they use that transfer. Lapps and Sami, you know, Lapps people, they have no permanent lapps and Sami. Lapps and Sami are the people who live in the Scandinavia, Norway, Sweden, and Denmark. Now their lives are changing. They live in the wooden house and work in mines and lumbering. Antarctica has become a center of the scientific studies mainly about the atmospheres. So what is here? I am talking about that the Sami and Lapps people, they have origin. It means that the Aborigines people, you say, or you can say that some they do not have the permanent. They don't have a house at all. They live in that the common house in, like our beggar, our mad peoples that live. Similarly, they have Labs र Sami people, Labs especially, उनीहरू अब बाल बच्चा सबै लिएर त्यो एउटा कमन हाउसमा बस्छन्, कुनै धर्मशालाहरूमा गएर बस्ने काम गर्छन्. That is, they don't have the permanent settlements in the lifestyle of the tundra climates. Now there is a polar climates, what the Antarctic zone. The third one, polar climate. It is chiefly found in the northern hemispheres. It is a third one, polar. Climate. Polar climate. Polar climate that's varies from that 60 and above. In the polar region, it varies. As mentioned in the opening paragraphs of this lesson, area around the two poles are extremely cold due to that their high latitude. High latitude means that's about 60 above. To the pole means what's that above? Pole means there is a pole. This is the pole means hairs and hairs. If we talk about this is like that, Earth, longitudinal, yeah. This is a 90-degree north and this is a 90-degree south. So both to the pole, it is a pole. What's one? It's a pole. Here also, this is pole. Here, this climate is found in the polar climate. Means what is the climate of in the polar? That we talk about. And here the what's the latitude are high. Yes. It says that due to their high latitudes on the North Pole, the mostly frozen Arctic oceans lies and on the south there is Antarctic. Arctic Ocean in that the north, Antarctic to the the Arctic Circle, Arctic Circle, This is the Arctic Circle. Where is 66.5. 66 1 by half degree. It is the Arctic Circle. What circles here? Yeah, Arctic Circle. Here is both these hemispheres. This is a 66 half degree Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle. I'm talking about circle. Here. दुईटै भयो यदि आर्टिक सर्कल नर्थमा करेक्ट गर्यो भने आर्टिक ओशियन छ त्यहाँ अनि साउथमा के छ त एन्टार्क्टिक ओशियन छ Antarctica that is and the Arctic Ocean and Antarctica which is covered by a very huge sheets of ice and there is no vegetation, no wildlife and no cultivated vehicles, land there. Either therefore there is no permanent settlement in the vast continent and it's visited and settled temporarily by scientists and searching mainly there's studies about the atmospheres, high altitudes of a high mountain and of the wolves such as the Himalayas and Rockies. With the similar climates, situation may also come under this type of climates. Here in the Himalayas, the highest there is Himalayas highest peak is there, high altitude is there. So their climate is similar to that the climate of the polar. I heard where you heard that one of the film is there. Uh, mm, Summits or summit that Sagarmatha. It's related to that Sagarmatha. Summit to Sagarmatha, what the Mount Everest. Yeah, in which so that extreme cold is there, and there the canvas, isn't it? Different camp there is a. Likewise, it's very similar. There is a here the comparison also they will given temperate and frigid climate.